Prior to starting your National Highways Sector Scheme 12D M2 assessments, you must ensure that you have the mandatory prerequisites. This means that within the last 2 years you must have successfully completed the 12DT1T2 training course. In this video, we will guide you through the key components and requirements of the assessment process, ensuring you are well prepared and knowledgeable. National Highways Sector Scheme 12D focuses on methods of traffic control. It emphasizes quality management and the need for safety for both the road worker and the road user. Understanding this is crucial for maintaining safety and efficiency on our national highway network. M2 focuses specifically on passive and positive forms of traffic control, including priority systems, stop-go operations, and temporary traffic signals. The assessment process involves several stages: preparation, documentation review, on-site evaluation, installation, maintenance, removal, and feedback. Each stage is important to ensure compliance with the standards outlined in the portfolio used to document your progress throughout the assessment process. Once you or your employer believe you are competent enough to start the assessment process and have made the step to book your assessments, you should familiarize yourself with the key requirements, such as the assessment start time and location. This will be detailed in your joining instructions. Also, all learners must wear or bring with them full PPE. As a minimum, this will include high visibility jacket or vest, high visibility trousers, gloves, and safety footwear, or in accordance with your company policy. These elements are essential for the successful progress of the assessment. Prior to the on-site assessment element, you will be observed by a qualified assessor completing the following pre-installation activities: ensuring all documentation provided by up-to-speed training for assessments being completed at our center, or your employer's documents if away from the center are available. Risk assessments and method statements must be read and understood. Conduct the required pre-assessment checks on any vehicles, trailers, and traffic signals that are being used. You will then need to identify and select the correct equipment for the type of scheme or schemes being installed and load it to the vehicle before securing it and heading out to the site location. When you arrive on site, you will be observed completing the various elements of the performance criteria, including the following: a site inspection, a check to confirm the details of the risk assessment, movement within the site both on foot and driving the vehicle, placement of signs and cones, stop-go operations and priority signing, and the correct establishment, pre-start checks, commissioning and operation of temporary traffic signals, routine maintenance and housekeeping, and the correct techniques for the site removal. At all times, the safety of everyone affected by the work being completed will also be being assessed to ensure this is given the appropriate consideration throughout. You will need to be successfully assessed, demonstrating competency throughout, a minimum of 3 times to complete the qualification. Once successfully completed, the M2 qualification is valid for 5 years and enables you to work as a qualified operative on passive and positive traffic control schemes. The team at Up to Speed Training will register the qualification with the awarding organization, and you will receive an e-card which details the qualification completed and the expiry date. We hope this video has given you a brief overview of the National Highways Sector Scheme Assessment Process requirements for Module 12D M2, and we hope to see you in the future.